Builderall eLearning, how to create a button in your Builderall eLearning course using Chat GPT. So in this video, in this Builderall tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a button in your Builderall eLearning course. You can see right here, there's not really a button where you could, add a button. So right here, you write your text, and then you have your content. So there's not really a good place to, add a button. So we're going to add a button right here. So we're going to go to Chat GPT, and we're gonna just tell it to create a button for us. So what I wrote here says, I put, can you write me the HTML code for a button with white letters with a font size of 20 and a blue background that turns black when you hover over it, and the link to and then the website name, whatever website you want. So in this case, I put one of my websites, clevernetworkmarketing.com. And then you want, and I finished it by saying to open in a new window. So I'm going to go ahead and press enter. All right, so now we're going to test it out. Before you test out the button, you have to switch it to the HTML. So you just click on this little button right over here at the very end. And then I just make a new line and paste the code. Okay, and then if I want to kind of get like a preview and see what it looks like, I just press the HTML code button. And you see right there, you just have there's the website right there. There's a button. Now, let's suppose that we want to kind of, tinker with it a little bit more. So we'll just go back to Chat GPT. And then we're going to paste this code right here. So right here, I put the same code as above, but make the inside padding on the x-axis 200 pixels and the inside padding on the y-axis 20 pixels. So I'm going to press enter. Okay, so now we're going to copy the code. And then just to make a comparison, I'm just going to use this bottom section right here so we could preview it and compare it to the other one. And then we're going to click on the HTML button again. And you see the difference is that we made the x-axis 200 pixels, so you could see how it's wider right here. So now we're gonna just kind of the only thing I don't like about this particular code, if you look at it, or maybe it's easier to look over here. So right here, the color is gonna say, like right here, background color white. So the thing is, if you want to customize it for your particular website, if you have a unique color, we're gonna just we want to change it to the hex color. So we're gonna go ahead and change the code again. So we're gonna go right here, and we're gonna click same code as above, but show the hex colors, the hex codes for the colors. All right, so and then we're going to copy the code. Copy. And then we'll just use a different lesson for, we'll just use a new lesson. And then we're just going to paste the code here. And then we're going to click the HTML button again so we could get like a preview. And there it is. So now now you can see right here, you could barely see it, but maybe it would be easier on the Chat GPT. You could see like you have the hex color right here, FFFFF, and then the background color FFFFF. So that way you could easily customize it to your liking, to whatever color that you like. So we're gonna do one more thing to this code, and then I'm gonna put right here, same code as above, but with rounded borders. Okay, now we're gonna copy the code. And then we're gonna just, we'll use the bottom section for this one. So I'm gonna close this one right here on the top section. And then I'm gonna paste it right here in the bottom section. So I'm gonna click on this HTML button, paste the code, paste. And then we're gonna click on the HTML button again so we could get like a little preview. And there it is. You have a button with rounded borders. And then, and now let's test it out. So we're gonna click Save Changes. Let's see. Okay, save. Let's see. For some reason it's not saving, but we'll refresh it here in the e-learning course. So you could see in the e-learning course, you could see how you have the top button. It has the regular button, and then the secondary button that we added right here, test 3, has the rounded border. So now we're gonna test it just to see if the button actually works. So we're just gonna click on the button, and you see, so that means so we're gonna test the other button as well. So that's how you create a button in your Builderall e-learning course using Chat GPT. There will be a link in the description for the best course right now for affiliate marketing and CPA marketing. It is the #1 recommended course in my opinion, is because you don't have to spend $1,000 or more to learn about these topics. If you're interested, again, there will be a link in the description. Thank you very much.